Hello everyone, welcome back to Basiofon Academy.
If you're currently preparing for WAEC, JAMB, NICO, or any senior secondary school physics examination, you're definitely in the right place. Today, we're diving into the absolute foundation of physics: measurements, physical quantities, and SI units. This topic shows up almost every year in both theory and objective, so make sure you grab your notepad and watch this video until the very end. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is measurement? In simple terms, measurement is just comparing an unknown quantity with a known standard quantity. For example, you want to know how long a piece of cloth is, place a standard meter rule next to it. You're comparing the unknown length of the cloth to the known standard on the ruler. The same applies when you measure mass with a balance or time with a stopwatch. Here's a quick exam tip for my WAEC students. Whenever you see a definition question about measurement, always look out for the keywords comparison with a standard to get your full marks. Now, what do we actually measure in physics? We measure physical quantities. A physical quantity is simply any property of a material that can be quantified or measured. But note this carefully. Every single physical quantity must have two essential parts: a number and a unit. If you write just a number in physics exams, it is meaningless. For example, if you write 5, the examiner may not know if it is 5 meters, 5 kilometers, 5 kilograms, or 5 seconds. So always pay the magnitude with its units, like 5 meters for length, 20 kilograms for mass, or 10 seconds for time. So physical quantities are broadly divided into two groups: fundamental and derived quantities. Think of fundamental quantities as the parent or the foundation. They are independent and do not rely on any other quantities for the definition. The main ones you need to remember for your exams are length, mass, time, temperature, and electric current. On the flip side, we have derived quantities. They are the children. They are obtained by combining fundamental quantities mathematically. For instance, velocity is a derived quantity because it is derived from distance and time. Distance divided by time. Force, density, and pressure are all derived because they rely on fundamental quantities to exist. To keep measurements uniform worldwide, scientists use the SI unit system. JAMB loves testing you on this. So let's look at the most frequent ones. Length is measured in meters, mass is in kilograms, time is always in seconds. For direct units, remember that force is measured in newtons, energy or work is measured in joules, and power is measured in watts. Do yourself a massive favor and memorize this table tonight. It will save you a whole lot of stress in the exam hall. Make sure you consider the unit symbol. Don't misplace capital letters with small letters. For example, electric current, its unit is ampere, and symbol is capital letter A. Don't mistake it to small letter a. Let's do a sharp evaluation to see if you've been following. Question 1. What is the SI unit of force? A. Newtons, B. Joule, C. Watt, D. Pascal. If your answer is Newton, then you're correct. Question 2. Which of the following is a fundamental quantity? A. Force, B. Velocity, C. Mass, D. Pressure. The answer there is mass. Why? Mass is one of the 7 fundamental quantities in the SI system. Force, velocity, and pressure are derived quantities. Let's end this series on how top students succeed in physics. First, understand concepts deeply. Don't just memorize the formula. Understand the reason behind every formula and principle. 2. Practice consistently. Solve problems daily. Consistency builds speed and accuracy. The brain recognizes formulas, questions, quantities, units when you use them consistently. Learn from mistakes. Review your errors, find patterns, and never repeat them. For example, you could solve a question without considering the unit. You're meant to solve with meters and the question was given to you in kilometers. If you made a mistake, you always remember that you have to change it back to meters before solving. Use past questions smartly. Study exam trends and practice questions strategically. There are lots of questions and different examination bodies have their own pattern of setting questions and also the way they want their answers to be documented. Okay, so study exam past questions, get the drill packs, get the combo pack for WAEC, for JAMB, and do well to practice them. Stay focused and disciplined. Avoid distractions and stay committed to your goals. Remember, smart work plus consistent practice equals excellent results. So study smartly. Great job today. Master the basics. In our next tutorials, we will take it a step further and look at dimensions, significant figures, and errors in measurement. We will solve actual WAEC and JAMB past questions together. If you want to start practicing immediately, make sure you get your hands on basiofon Physics pack. Link is in the description below. You will also join our free science community as well. And if you feel like you need intensive personal one-on-one coaching to clear any doubt in physics, send me a direct message to book a private tutoring session. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Basiofon Academy, and turn on notifications. See you in tutorial 2.